This is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. This is a quick fix for if your cruise control buttons, a cruise control set button, or even cancel cruise control button is broken or doesn't work or only works some of the time. This is a really quick fix for that problem. Basically, just want to disconnect your battery. I just disconnected the negative piece here. Important for safety purposes. I just stuck it back here so that it's not touching the battery. Come into the car, and I have a little radar detector tool. So it's a little hex key. Basically, you just grab this hex key, and there's going to be 3 holes to take this This is the airbag off. You want to take that off. And yeah, we disconnected the battery just in case, safety reasons. But on the side back here, there's a hole right here. Just basically push the key in there. And then there's another one on this side. And you push all the way in there. Might have to fish around a little bit for it. And then there's one right up here. So you get under here. And this one on mine, it's not that the hex key wouldn't reach, it's that it's kind of hard to find. You have to get the button just right. So once you get those 3 just right, popped in, you can just take this off. Well, not off, it's still connected, but slide this up. And then, as you can see there, I moved, because I'd already done this fix, I moved that wire. Here, I'll show it to you, the black wire right here. This black wire was underneath, and I just ran it over. I think that might help, but at the same time, it's this white clip right here that what you do is you can just pop it out, and then what I did was used a can of 3M dust remover, for like a computer or something. And of course, give it a test spray. Make sure it's dry, nothing coming out. And I just cleaned this area up from all the dust, and then I cleaned up in the little space here where the clip goes in. Right. So I cleaned up in here, just sprayed in there on those pins, and then I flipped it upside down and sprayed it in there for those pins and the actual plug there. And that's to get the dust out. And then I kind of inserted it and then took it back out several times just to make sure it was sitting in there tight. And like I said, I also moved this wire right here. The way it was running, I just switched that, and I kind of pushed this down a little bit, just a little, and to reinstall, just line it bag up, and you're done. And that is how to fix your Hyundai Sonata broken cruise control, or issues where the button only works sometimes. Because it would work sometimes and sometimes it wouldn't. So I'd hit cancel and set and cancel and set, but it's not in these buttons. The issue is in that little connector. But you don't have to replace it, at least that I found. I gave it a test drive. Everything is working perfect every time now. So that's a quick and easy fix, and hope this helps everybody.